They're back. What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, back for another video. If you're new here, welcome. I am your 31 consultant. I do everything 31. I give you the latest deals. I give you styling tips on how to use your bags and totes. I give you the latest catalogs, posting the holiday gift guide up above and down below. And in this video, I am gonna debut October special because it's the 20th of the month, and every 20th of the month I give you next month's special. Hey, so they're back. And no, I am not talking about Poltergeist because, Lord, I could not even watch that as a kid. I can't do scary movies. I am talking about the Medium Utility Tote. Ladies, for the holiday season, you have to have one of these. This is the perfect holiday companion. I brought this everywhere last season because I could not maneuver and dodge people with these large carts. I would walk in with this, stuffed in what I had to get, went to the checkout, paid for my stuff, repacked them in here, and I was good to go. So, ladies, this is a great sale. It is October special, so I'm gonna link the catalog up above and below. Enjoy your shopping and stay tuned for October 1st when I debut Rockstar's Deal of the Month. And if you guys didn't check it out, it might just have to do with the recent holiday catalog, okay? So, till next time, ladies, enjoy your shopping, and I can't wait to hear from you. Bye!
Month at 31. Get all the gifts you need to carry you through the holiday season. First, it's everything you love about our best-selling large utility tote, scaled down for extra portability. Get up to 2 medium utility totes for an amazing price with each qualifying purchase. Make your holiday truly special with this compact and versatile tote in 7 great prints for the season, perfect for everyone on your list. The medium utility tote features a structured opening and double-stitch seaming, making it durable enough to carry everything from gifts to groceries. Its portable size makes it comfortable to carry, and it collapses for easy storage. Plus, the medium utility tote comes in fun prints for every occasion, from festive snowy slopes to chic frosted gold metallic. Find the perfect gift for friends and family this holiday season with the medium utility tote. Plus, get even more great gifts by sharing the fun of 31. Only in October, we're giving hostesses a chance to complete your Christmas wish list for less. This month, save 70% on up to 2 gift guide items when you host a $600 plus party. Choose from more than 20 beautiful gifts and seasonal prints and upgraded finishes. Get a head start on shopping for friends and family, or start the holiday season off right with something special for yourself. Find great gifts for everyone and make them mean even more with an embroidered name or monogram. Remember, personalization is always free on Hostess specials. Get